In this video, I'm going to describe a PLC system which performs the function of question number 2. So here in question number 2, a vision camera scans the pallet barcode as the first and the number of parts on the pallet is extracted from the barcode data. So this remaining function is being performed with the help of my PLC system. So let me go directly into the PLC system. So here, this is the complete data diagram. So whenever the pallet barcode is scanned, in such condition, this part is activated, and the scan value where the parts in the pallet store is the part is source. The source value is then transferred to the destination N75. So to determine the remaining number of pallets, we need to get the running total pallets. So that we could subtract each number of pallet every time it is being scanned. So to determine the remaining pallet, source uh, B is set as 1. Then at last we could clear the pallet parts for the next scan. So here to describe this, let me run this program. So here we need to supply the number of parts in the palette, and the number of parts in the palette can be changed by changing the input in here. So I will adjust this palette as 10. So my palette consists of 10 parts. So similarly, this I 0.3 needs to be set as 1 because we need to subtract each number of palette in order to determine the palette data remaining. Similarly, we need to supply the total number of pallets that are running. So for this, we have to give any integer value. So I would like to give 5 in here. So I have 5 number of pallets running. So we can see the changes in here. So whenever I scan a barcode, so in such condition, my remaining pallet is full, and the parts in the pallet that is being scanned is 10 because each pallet consists of 10 parts, so the total scanned parts is 10. Similarly, if I again I scan the another barcode, or if I again scan the barcode, in such condition my remaining barcode is 3 because I already scanned the two barcodes. So uh, each palette consists of 10 parts, so my total scan parts will be 20. We can again repeat this step. So if I again scan a palette barcode in such condition, my total scan parts will be 30 because I already scanned the three palettes. And when I scan the three palettes, my remaining palette is 2. Similarly, if I again toggle this, or if I again scan the palette barcode, so my total scan parts is 40. So we can adjust the total number of parts in the palette by changing the value in here, and so we can see the total number of parts that has been scanned. So this is all about the question number 2, and thank you so much for your time.